Good morning, everybody. This is Nate over at Bullion RV, and today we have another video. We're in the shop today since it's snowing like it's a tundra outside. So today we have a 2024 Forest River Flagstaff 206 LTD pop-up camper. So we're gonna take a walk around the outside, show you some features, and we'll get you on the inside, show you some features there and some storage. It's gonna be a shorter video, so let's get started. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe while you're watching. So coming down here right away, since the beds are in the way here, you do have your 20-pound propane tank, and off to the right side there you do have your battery, which are filled and installed at the time of purchase. Coming around the side here, so you do have your light and you do have your GFCI outlets on the outside here. We do have our LP Quick Connect here. And then you do have, obviously these pop-up campers are single axle, so you do have your nitrogen inflated tires. And then you do have a little spot for a grill attachment here as well. Kind of getting a view from the rear side here. All the way in the back over here, you do have your spare tire. And if you're wondering, since I'm under here, these rods are actually supporting for your bed, and that was the same in the front here as well. Coming over to the left side here, so I'm going to take a step back, and you'll notice right away here, this one actually does come with an AC up above, and these newer pop-up campers that are coming up, they actually have a solar panel as well. Off to the right, we have your city water connection. We're going to have our hot water heater here, or furnace, I'm sorry, and then you'll have your appropriate connections off to the left here. So you'll also have your plug-in for your AC. This is a 30 amp service here as well. Coming back around. So I'm kind of doing just kind of like a backup here, getting the full view of the pop-up here. You actually have a lot of room to work with, so. But not a ton of features on the outside, so we'll head on to the inside here and let us know what you think. So first thing I want to mention here too, you do have your fire extinguisher, your ceiling lights, GFCI outlets, and then you do have that solar charge controller, because I did mention this does have a solar panel on the roof. So moving on over, you do have your door that kind of hangs up here so you can let some fresh air in if you'd like. Off to the left and right sides here, you do have your twin bed setup here as well. And you also have in front of us your dinette area. We have the table down right now, but this can convert into your sleeping area here as well. And then we do have, let's see here, we do have that griddle for the outside attachment like I was mentioning here. We're gonna have some storage inside here with the owner's manual, all the appropriate information we're gonna need. Another storage panel in there. It's kind of a 2-in-1, but you can access it from both sides. Let's see here. A lot of counter space to work with, which I really like. More storage in here for silverware, anything you might need. Larger storage container there. More here. And then you're going to have a larger storage panel right there, or pocket right there. So then you're going to have your kitchen area up here. So actually a lot of counter space to work with. Smaller sink, but you got to work with what you have in these smaller pop-ups. But again, it's just nice to have. And below that, you actually have your mini fridge here as well. Actually quite a bit of space to work with in there. So moving on up here, you're going to have your touch lights here as well. So you can freely adjust your light. And then you're going to have your AC up above. So I'm going to take a step back real quick and get out of the shot here so we can just kind of do an overview of the inside. All right. And then one other thing I wanted to mention here too is you do have USB and USB-C in here as well, charging device outlets. So smaller pop-up camper, but a lot to work with. That's gonna do it for this video. My name's Nate Green from Bullion RV. Like I said, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, help Bullion get to 20,000 subscribers. Again, my contact info will be in the description box below. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks everyone for watching.